nuts right now.
I just saw you turn it off.
Shut up.
Hey, don't get ready.
It's too late now.
No instruction.
You can't start on that stand, man.
Oh, yeah, that's how you do it.
That's how you gotta do it. Let's go. There's a lot going on here. Yeah, we're all betting a lot of money against it. To get up there. Let's go.
I get $20 if he can actually get on it.
I'll put another 100 on it because you didn't know what the fuck you just did.
Yeah, that's the clutch.
I would be putting thousands on this right now, motherfuckers, if you have it on.
You gotta pay it. You might want to get over it.
Alright,
I'm not paying.
I'll give you even a hint. You can't start it in gear.
Yeah. Oh my God, that is that. Hey.
I don't either.
Wow, this is
intense.
Come on, let's go. Make it happen. You got 10
He's got like 280
He's got 10
bucks on it.
chances, though, right? 10 chances?
10 chances. Right now he can't even
He's
get on.
got $20 so he can even get on the thing.
You got $20 that you can't even get on the phone.
You're probably right, dude. That's my whole problem. Now while it's on this side, you can't get it on this side.
Somebody help him out.
You never started on this thing. You always
Somebody give me a hint.
Hey, and what I give you one hit, and I'll tell you again. You cannot start it in gear.
Here we go.
Wait a minute, you guys better hold it.
It's happening.
Hey, why?
There's nothing any of us can do about it. Here it goes. Holy shit. Yeah.
It won't start in gear, I'll tell you that.
He's told you that.
tomorrow.
You don't even know what a kickstart is.
Yeah, I don't know what a kickstart is.
That's three. Hey, that's three. I saw a kick there. Did you see a kick?
I'll give you another hint. Don't press that button, that's the stop switch.
Oh,
Hey,
shit.
off your hands.
I'm afraid he's going to charge off.
Hey, I got this up again.
Nobody's standing right there.
Go for it, dude.
Oh, what? That's two! No, that's two! That's two!
No, that's two.
That's two! That's three! Alright.
Let's go. Make it happen.
No.
Damn it.
Hey, what did I tell you?
See,
think about it.
Yeah.
Get somebody standing on for that thing. Point it at that boy and say, go ahead, get it started. You better run with your flexion.
Come on, Regs.
Oh, shit. Is it over?
Put your Lord.
It just started.
You had to find out. That's what I think. I'm not helping you. Fuck, I got money. Oh, you're definitely here now.
This
Wide open once he gets started. I don't want to be covered with AIDS, alright?
That's true.
Just making sure.
Blood, I mean. Blood.
That's the assurance.
The guy's
I'd be pinning that fucker to get it started.
Oh, pinning it big time.
I would, wouldn't you?
Oh, right to the hill.
Right to the hill.
I bet he's not even giving it any gas.
Yeah.
All gas.
The hard gas. That's five.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you almost had it.
What's going on here?
Doesn't sound promising either.
No, it doesn't at all. I'm laying up the gas. Oh, no, all the gas.
I heard it.
No, wait. No gas, no gas. No.
it happen.
This is your last one.
$280 on this.
The suspense.
That's it.
Oh shit! Alright, so the French dropped the seed here and there on the way down to fucking Mississippi.